चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स। आपको पता है यूथ की ताकत अमेजिंग होती है और यूथ वो कर दिखाता है जो दुनिया का कोई कोई सेगमेंट नहीं कर सकता। इसीलिए तो स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था, गिव मी अ फ्यू हैंडफुल मेन एंड आई विल ट्रांसफॉर्म इंडिया। और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इंडिया का हुआ। सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने क्या कहा? सुभाष चंद्र बोस ने ये कहा, गिव मी ब्लड एंड आई विल गिव यू द फ्रीडम। और वो फ्रीडम हमको यूथ ने दी, तभी तो आज हम इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया में खड़े हैं हमारी यूथ के साथ। मेरा ट्रस्ट यूथ के साथ बहुत है, इसीलिए पंजाबी चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स के इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर हम एक ग्लोबल यूथ स्क्वाड का आगाज करने जा रहे हैं, जिसका एक छोटा सा ट्रेलर आज हम देखने जा रहे हैं। ओवर टू यू कृतिका टू स्टार्ट द इवेंट। You're on mute, Kritika.
Thank you so much, Pooja ma'am, for such a warm welcoming. And so guys, now you're on the road to be future leaders. But do you know how one can be a great leader? Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. और ऐसे ही एक लीडर आज हमारे बीच है, मिस्टर सुखदेव गिल, an executive director at Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, जो बहुतों की इंस्पिरेशन है and I'm very sure वो आपको भी इंस्पायर करेंगी. So here with us is a leader who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way, and who believes in the power of subconscious mind. He is one of our judges for today's brainstorming activity also. So before inviting Sukhdeep sir, मैं आपसे एक उनकी बहुत ही प्यारी बात शेयर करना चाहूंगी, जिसे वो भी मानते हैं that what we are doing is just a drop in the ocean. What we are doing is just a drop in the ocean. But बूंद-बूंद से ही तो सागर बनता है. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me first of all give a very warm thanks to everyone for inviting me here today to this wonderful webinar which is happening. Let me thank Dr. Pooja also and congratulate her as well. Let me congratulate you also, the young leaders who are putting this all through together today. It's a wonderful thing happening today. So let me give you a just brief gist on what PCC is all about. I'm sure you already have gone through everything. We started 3 years back in New Jersey. Importance of being with this chamber lies in being away from religion and politics actually. From one single chapter, we have now grown to 15 chapters worldwide. What's the meaning of a chapter? We locate our community, we create a chapter, we form a committee, and this committee is headed by 2 co-chairs who lead the committee towards beautiful things to happen in future. Now, in order to realize our vision, there are a number of programs being churned out. Members can exchange business and commerce globally with each other. Then there are more value-added programs being focused on young leaders, especially for you, such as mentorship aimed at rich guidance, as well as capital infusion if you want to be an entrepreneur. There is a job bank aimed at connecting with you with the industry or corporate as well, if you wish to be a professional career, if you wish to develop a professional career also. Then you, the young leaders, they have a much bigger role to play with us through PCF, Punjabi Chamber Foundation. This is our charity arm, which is looking after our charity work worldwide, irrespective of caste, creed, color, or religion. We are actually looking at you to design and implement our charity programs and be the change makers of the society. So come, join us, and let's work together. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Kritika, and thank you so much, Sukhdeep sir, for those kind words. So, hello guys, we are all here to be leaders, but the very essence of leadership is that you have to have a vision. It's got to be a vision you articulate so clearly and so impactfully that you inspire others on your way forward. And who could be a better leader than one who knows the art of advocacy? Because law एक जंग है और lawyer एक योद्धा. क्योंकि नथिंग से लॉयर बनना और लॉयर बनके 6000 स्टूडेंट्स का डायरेक्टर जनरल होना ऑफ संस्कृति कॉलेज कोई आसान बात है क्या? और इतना ही नहीं, बीसीसीआई के एडवाइजर भी रह चुके हैं और आज के इवेंट में एक जज भी हैं. मतलब ये तो लीडरशिप की हाइट सी हो गई। तो ऐसे ही एक लीडर को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगी टू स्पीक टू आवर यूथ प्रेजेंट हियर। आई वेलकम मिस्टर विवेक अग्रवाल टू टेल अस हाउ पीसीसी कुड हेल्प बेनिफिट द यूथ। एंड ऑल्सो आज आपसे एक बहुत ही अच्छी बात शेयर करती हूँ, आज हमारे इन लीडर का बर्थडे भी है। अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सर। ओवर टू यू सर।
So blessed to be a part of all this team, and it's a great opportunity to be among the leaders today. So I really congratulate Pooja ma'am for all the effort and bringing this event to such a short, and thank you, who's been a pillar of strength, and whatever he's always with us. So what is told about PCC to you guys. Now my only is why what
Vivek ji, you can switch off your video for proper audio, please. Yeah.
can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
How to be good leaders and why all these things can help become successful in life. So what happens? I take my telling people I'm a lawyer, but I have my family who's a lawyer. So how do I get work? How do I get work? So and how do I make friends? So when you talk are your college friends, your college are different from profession. One of you helping each different way which is possible. So as a successful, there should be invited of you and should be well in all the opportunities that come your way, because even a single opportunity can change your career. So I ask all before this, put on there what people is, who's you might be knowing about whom you who were peacekeepers and who are of your. So come along with people, have exchange of business. Because if somebody, I know Mrinalini who's been working with us, and I come to know that tomorrow she's become a software engineer. And I have been speaking to her for a month a year. So what happens is, somebody who asked me that they need the services of a software engineer, I would obviously at the back of my mind keep in touch with Mrinalini, have in mind that Mrinalini for a year, and she's been doing all the things really well, and she's so trustworthy. So I would at the first
विवेक जी, आपकी आवाज काफी लैग हो रही है. What we will do is we'll wait for your connect to come back and maybe we'll catch up with you again. Mrinali, I request you to continue with the third introduction.
Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much, Vivek sir. We'll get back to you. And hello everyone, my name is Mrinali Chaudhary and I'm here to introduce you to our next stalwart and the judge for the hour, Dr. Pooja Vijay Sukhija. From being a shy girl to a platform skills trainer, from a teacher to an academic advisor, from a consultant to an influencer, Dr. Sukhija has traveled a long journey. Armed with 2 doctorates and having wheeled in the corporate and the educational field for more than illustrious 30 years, Dr. Sukhija has touched, mentored, and helped place more than 30,000 students in their aspired jobs. We welcome you, Dr. Sukhija, to share your thoughts on Youth Squad and its purpose, and to also judge this lovely event if you were the youth leader of Punjabi Chamber of Commerce. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Mrinali, आपके सुंदर शब्दों के लिए. Actually, मैं बहुत सौभाग्यशाली रही हूँ. मैं ये सौभाग्यशाली वर्ड क्यों यूज कर रही हूँ? 31 years. 31 years in the noble profession of education. नन्हे मुन्ने बूंदों से लेकर MBA के छलकते पैमानों तक, I got an opportunity to be an influencer. और ये influencing करते करते है ना, मैंने एक बात सीखी. वो क्या बात सीखी? Loud and clear सीखी कि जब तक आप freedom नहीं देते हो, चाहे वो छोटा बच्चा हो, चाहे वो बड़ा हो, चाहे वो MBA youth हो, freedom flavored with fine feedback, बहुत नजाकत के साथ feedback जब आप देते हो, freedom देते हो, तो that will bring to you a flowering of the youth. और इतिहास गवाह है. मैंने 2 already quotes बताए जहाँ सुभाष चंद्र जी बोस और विवेकानंद जी ने यूथ को लेकर एक दुनिया नई क्रिएट कर दी. मैंने पर्सनली भी ये चीज देखी. ई वेस्ट का काम हो रहा था सोनी म्यूजिक और ओएसएस नाम की एनजीओ के साथ. मैंने पाया 200 बच्चे, माइंडेड बच्चे, मतलब जब मैं बच्चा कहती हूँ तो वो आप बच्चे, तो 200 यूथ ने 2 लाख अडल्ट्स को टच किया, 13,000 किलो ई वेस्ट इकट्ठा किया और उस ई वेस्ट को बेच के 6 बच्चों की पढ़ाई का पैसा जनरेट किया फ्रॉम 1st to 10th स्टैंडर्ड. एंड माइंड यू पीपल, किसी ने उनको कुछ नहीं कहा कि आपको क्या करना है. तो मैं अब मुद्दे पे आती हूँ. पंजाबी चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स में यूथ स्क्वाड क्यों? आज ही हमने बहुत सारी मिसालें देखी. इसके पहले बाय द वे द ऑडियंस में बता दूं कि 1 घंटे का ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग सेशन 130 बच्चों ने फ्रॉम वेरियस इंस्टीट्यूट्स किया है. एंड दे आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट देयर आइडियाज एंड वी आर गोइंग टू जज देम. ये क्या नहीं हिला सकते हैं, ये माउंटेन्स हिला सकते हैं. इनका पावर बस सिर्फ हार्नेस करने की बात है. इन्हें थोड़ी सी एक्सपीरियंस्ड हाथों के मोल्डिंग की. वो पनीर देखा है फटते हुए, तो पनीर फटा हुआ कितना भयावह दिखता है, बट जब पनीर को आप जोड़ के उसको कंप्रेस करके कपड़े में डालते हो तो पंजाब का शाही पनीर बनता है. That's exactly what Punjabi Chamber of Commerce wants to do with the youth. Thank you so much, Pranali, for giving me this opportunity. Back to you.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम. कितना सही कहा मैम ने, इतिहास गवाह है. अच्छा, ऐसा कोई है जो लिंक्डइन पर जाता ही नहीं? आई डोंट थिंक ऐसा कोई होगा. लिंक्डइन आजकल का लेटेस्ट प्लेटफॉर्म है टू कनेक्ट, एंड वी आर लकी टू हैव मिस्टर अंकित वेंगुर्लेकर विद अस. Ankit Vengulekar sir is Indian managing editor of LinkedIn News. He has been working in media from 15 years across TV news, radio, and digital newsrooms. He also hosts a podcast called Love Aajkal about modern day relationships on Spotify India. On weekends, he loves spending time cooking new international dishes and playing with his cat, Tofu. टेक्नोलॉजी को सोसाइटी के भले के लिए यूज करना, टेक्नोलॉजी को सोसाइटी के भले के लिए यूज करना, डिजिटल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की सीढ़ी चढ़ना, दिल में हजार बातें पर जुबा को खामोश रखना, अच्छाई की डगर पर अनथक चलते रहना. This is what defines Mr. Ankit Vengurlekar. Welcome, sir. Over to you.
My God. Firstly, Mrinali, fantastic oration. So thank you so much. Itne kind words ke liye. Pooja ji, thank you so much for inviting me to this. Saturday दोपहर का इससे बेहतर इस्तेमाल मुझे नहीं लगता किया जा सकता है. Especially जब आपने पनीर का एग्जाम्पल लिया है तो पेट में मतलब कव्वे भी दौड़ रहे हैं. But I'm really glad to be able to speak to all of you and more importantly to hear what you have to say. I just want to leave you with 2 words because आप सब लोग future leaders हैं and the time is such that it's very important that you understand and adopt these 2 words. And the 2 words are servant leadership. इंग्लिश में शायद ये एलियन वर्ड्स लग सकते हैं, बट फॉर्चुनेटली हमने हिंदी में इसका प्रयोग हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी के जुबान से सुना है, जो है प्रधान सेवक. Servant leadership is primarily a fundamentally different way of leadership compared to traditional leadership, जहां पे it's all about, oh, I am the leader, I am the CEO, I am the chairman, and all the glory, all the money, all the international vacations, all the private jet, trips, they're coming to me. But servant leadership is not about talking, it's about listening. And if you want to make a change in today's world, and make it with compassion and empathy. It's very important that you listen more and speak more. This might sound slightly odd to the generation that thrives on broadcasting 24/7. You want to share what you're wearing, you want to share what you're eating, you want to share if you're doing nothing, and you want to do it in 10 seconds, 15 seconds, GIFs, photos, videos, and whatnot. So just want to leave you with the thought and idea of servant leadership. More than happy to connect with any of you on LinkedIn. And of course, I mean, I'm not getting paid to say this, but your professional journey has to start, or it has to be with a professional platform. So it goes without saying, for your professional journey, make sure you are present on the professional platform of LinkedIn. Thank you so much for inviting me here today.
Thank you so much, sir.
मृणाली, मैं बीच में इसलिए आ रही हूँ, रोशनी का पार्ट छूट गया था, वो बिगिन करने वाली थी, उनका ऑडियो नहीं चल रहा था, बट आई डोंट वांट टू मिस हियरिंग रोशनी. सो विद ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट, रोशनी आप शुरू से ही जैसा आप करने वाली थी वैसा करिए. वी वांट टू हियर यू.
यस मैम. सो ग्लिचेस कहाँ नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन उसे सही तरीके से मैनेज करना ही असली टैलेंट है. So namaste, sat shri akal, adab, kem cho, khama gadi, hello and hi everyone. A very warm welcome to the webinar on If I Were the Leader of Punjabi Chamber of Commerce, brought to you by Punjabi Chamber of Commerce. I, Roshni Gupta, along with my team members from ICFAI Business School, are your Jandar and Shandar host for next 1 hour. So इतने wonderful audience के लिए मैंने ना 2 lines लिखी हुई है. Hope you will like it. तुम जो आए वेबिनार में बात बन गई, लीडर मजहब लीडरशिप मेरी जात बन गई. I am grateful that you all have come to be a part of this webinar. So इस webinar के पहले जैसे मैम ने बताया 1 घंटा हमारा brainstorming हुआ था टीम के साथ, जो अभी प्रेजेंट करने वाले हैं. तो कैसा होता है ना कि आइडियाज तो सबके जबरदस्त होते हैं, लेकिन वो 99.9 और 100% के बीच में जो 0.1 का फर्क होता है ना, वो आपको जज करना है. तो गाइस, now gear up for entertainment that you are going to have in this webinar, along with gaining a lot of knowledge. कहा जाता है, जो सपने देखने की हिम्मत रखते हैं वो पूरी दुनिया को जीत सकते हैं. इसी बात पे मुझे एक शायरी याद आई, तो मैं आपको सबको सुनाना चाहूंगी. हर सपने को अपनी सांसों में रखो, हर मंजिल को अपनी बाहों में रखो, हर जीत आपकी है अगर अपने लक्ष्य को अपनी निगाहों में रखो. So the next part would be explained by my dear friends Mrunali and Vrindan. Over to you, Mrunali and Vrindan.
जिसका मुझे था इंतजार, जिसके लिए दिल था बेकरार, वो घड़ी आ गई आज.
ओए वृंदन, ये गाना क्यों गा रहा है?
अरे मृणाली, इसी पल का तो सभी को था बेसब्री से इंतजार यार, क्योंकि हमारी जो यूथ सेना ने ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग एक्टिविटी किया थोड़ी देर पहले, अभी तो वो पेश करने वाले हैं यार.
ओ, तो अगर प्रेजेंटेशंस होंगे तो जजमेंट भी होगा, और अगर जजमेंट होगा तो क्राइटेरियाज भी होने चाहिए ना?
हाँ बिल्कुल है ना जजिंग क्राइटेरियाज, मैं बताता हूँ. सो दे वुड बी क्लियरली जज ऑन द आइडियाज दे प्रेजेंट, उसकी फिजिबिलिटी क्या है, एंड द वे दे डिलीवर.
ओ, तो फिर शुभ काम में देरी कैसी? बट वृंदन वेट, क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर के साथ क्यों जाए? आई हैव एन आइडिया.
क्या आइडिया है तुम्हारे पास?
I have some chits with their numbers. तो जो चिट पहले आएगी वो ग्रुप प्रेजेंट करेगा.
ठीक है, you draw out first group chit.
Okay. The chits. And the first group is group number 10.
Over to you, group number 10. You can present your ideas.
Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to you all. एक साथ आना एक शुरुआत है, एक साथ रहना उन्नति है, और एक साथ काम करना सफलता है. So we the youth leaders plan to work along with PCC and through the support of PCC, we want to brighten the future of our community. So our goal is to concentrate on the rural areas. So rural areas consist of 3 people: the farmers, their wives, and the children community. So ek karke I'll share my ideas. How will we will be helping the 3 of them. So first, looking at the student community of the rural areas. Skills तो सबके पास होती है, excel करने की बात है ये skills. So similarly, the students of the farmers are very well aware of the skills. We are concentrating to improve their skills. So they do not get the exposure at the global level what we get. We are very adapted to the technology. We are connected to the technology, but they do not have the blessings and the exposure of that. So they are open to education, but उनको education मिल नहीं पाता. So how can we help? PCC or youth leaders मिलके we can set up some lectures, some webinars, some entrepreneurship lectures. How can they roadmap their future? So our first thing is mentorship lectures. PCC 3 चीजों का कॉम्बिनेशन है: प्रोफेशनल्स, स्टूडेंट्स और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. तो यहाँ हमारे प्रोफेशनल्स फार्मर्स के बच्चों को हेल्प कर सकते हैं टू गाइड इन देयर करियर्स, टू शो अ रोड मैप. सेकेंडली, हाउ कैन वी हेल्प? टेक्नोलॉजी तो सबके पास है, बट उसको यूज करना फॉर द पर्पस एंड फॉर द बेटरमेंट, हाउ कैन वी डू? So here we are looking upon how to use technology. So the wives of the farmers are very good at weaving. They have their small businesses within the farmers. So we can help them use the technology, teach them the technology so that they can grow up their business on a digital scale. Because global people are always fans of authentic and aesthetic products. So here we can help the farmers and their families to grow. Similarly, farmers can also export their goods. PCC having 15 chambers all around the globe can help them to get a network. And they
Group number 10, your time is up.
Thank you, Vrindan.
What a performance, group number 10. So don't you think it deserves a grand salute from us?
Yes.
I want you all to give a huge round of applause on virtual platform, a virtual round of applause. Okay. So इसी के साथ हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. तो हमारी next group कौन सी होगी? Next group?
The next group is 8.
Okay, so let's welcome group 8 with a huge round of applause. Again virtual.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sanchita Pal. Group 8, my group and I are going to talk about the topic on farmers. So let me start by asking a very simple question to all of you. हमारे देश को रक्षा कौन प्रोवाइड करता है? Any answers, guys?
Soldiers.
Correct.
Soldiers.
Correct. Thank you. That's right. Soldiers provide करते हैं रक्षा to our country. So who's the second most important category जो हमें survival के लिए हमारे survival के लिए बहुत necessary है? Any idea कि soldiers के बाद who's the next most important in our country जिसके बिना हमारा गुजारा नहीं हो सकता है?
Farmers, I guess.
Yes, that's right. Farmers. Just like soldiers provide security to our nation, farmers provide food. The food without which we cannot live, we cannot exist in this entire nation. And as quoted by our late PM Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. So keeping in mind the farmers that are currently facing the situation in the world, we, the youth leaders of PCC, have got with some amazing ideas in order to help those farmers that are struggling, that are growing the crops day in, day out, helping us so that those resources come to our end so that we can have a wholesome meal. So how exactly can we help these farmers? Well, the first idea is that we can educate the farmers in order to the diversification of their crops. So we all know that crops like rice, wheat, barley, ये तो सारे common crops है जो farmers को पता है, they have been growing in their farms, big or small lands. But can we suggest them ideas in order to grow some other kind of crops? Can we educate them in order to utilize their resources so that they can use the minimum usage of the water, of the sunlight, and they can grow their crops in a much more easier way so that we can get those crops and we can be benefited. So now I pass on to Shantanu. Shantanu.
So we can see what is the need of that. There are many farmers in India, they have huge amount of land, 50 acres, 40 acres, they can produce quantity in large amounts and they can sell it. But there are certain group of farmers who have land in 1 acre, 2 acres. So they need to be innovative. So
Group
just
number
like
8, your time is up.
I got the gist. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Group 8. The next group is number 5.
Welcome, group number 5, and you can start with your ideas.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you may start.
Okay, I'll start. So, grow naturally, live natural. By this motto, I would like to talk about how we can empower small Indian mango farmers to grow and sustain. So, the idea is basically to help and support the small Indian mango farmers, helping small farmers who have very little income in selling their Alfonso mango produced in the domestic and international market. The king of mangoes, Alfonso, better known as Hapus, in Maharashtra, it is in demand in domestic as well as international market for its taste, pleasant fragrance, and vibrant colors. It has long been one of the world's most popular fruit and vibrant and exported to various countries including Japan, Korea, and Europe. New markets such as US and Australia have recently opened up. Normally, only the big exporters of Alfonso mango are making huge profit because of their union and exposure to the market for selling mango. We as a team will collect and help the farmers to sell their mangoes at a good market price without the middlemen. The data of the small farmers can be collected by visiting the Gram Panchayat and the other related bodies having information about the village. We, PCC, will educate the farmers regarding the benefit of GI, which is known as geographical indication, the condition required to be followed for exporting the mangoes in the domestic as well as international market, marketing and branding of the product. The GI is a sign used on a product that have a specific geographical origin and possesses qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. Such a name conveys an assurance of quality and distinctiveness, which is essentially attributable to its origin in that defined geographical locality. This education and network building will help the farmers to sell their mangoes at a premium price. We can make a pool of farmers and give them the benefit of exporting in a bulk quantities and also the benefit of low cost of transportation. With our network, we will help the small farmers gain new customer and develop a supply chain for them. Training to use the internet and technology for selling the goods online will be provided to the farmers so that they can skip the middleman and earn good return. As the small farmers will gain, this will help the country as well and the social cost will be achieved. If
Group number 5, your time is up.
Thank you so much, Group 5. The next group is number 6.
Over to you, group number 6. You can start with your presentations.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
Good education in the right path, which will lead to a better and a healthy future. I'm Rihanna and from Group 6, and we are here to present the idea of how PCC can help in shaping the healthy future of a student in an education system.
So there is a lack in focus in the mind of the students, or is it that the students are not driven in the right direction? 10th के बाद सब बच्चों को और पेरेंट्स को एक ही परेशानी होती है, अब साइंस करें या कॉमर्स। तभी तो सब बच्चे वही करते हैं जो उनके दोस्त करते हैं। उनके बाद उनकी परेशानी खत्म होती है तो फिर 12th के बाद क्या करना है उसकी परेशानी शुरू होती है। After 12th, there are many streams and there is a need to choose a more specific stream and focus stream. और इस पूरे टाइम में पेरेंट्स को तो बहुत टेंशन होती है और उनकी पूरा टाइम टेंशन ही बढ़ती रहती है। But who is there to guide him? If there is a requirement of funds for further education, who can be contacted? ये परेशानी तो है, पर एक अच्छी बात है, PCC जिंदाबाद है। We as youth leaders would like to propose that PCC should start counseling sessions for students after 10th standard to ensure that they have more focus on their goals and what they aspire to be. PCC can create a platform for counseling and it will be a wide network, and with the wide networking of professionals to be allowed for students to interact with them and get field insight. And also those students who are enthusiastic about their goals are able to prove themselves better. And those who are able to prove themselves can also get funding from PCC.
Yes, education is the first step for people to gain the knowledge, critical thinking, empowering and skills they need to make this world better place. Thank you.
Thank you.
वाह वाह वाह, ग्रुप 6 कमाल ही कर गया यार। क्या मस्त आइडिया, क्या थॉट है तुम लोग का यार। मृणाली, अब तो मुझसे वेट नहीं हो रहा यार। नेक्स्ट ग्रुप कौन सा है यार, जल्दी बता।
Next group, number 7.
Welcome, group number 7. You can start your presentation.
So, our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, has rightly said that the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Hi, and a very good afternoon. I am Runal Acharya with my group, and we have thought of an idea to stand by young ladies who are the survivors of assault cases and child marriage. It is hard to believe, but this is what the statistics speak. 87 rape cases daily, and 14.1% girls are being compelled to get hitched at the age of playing and getting education. So we as a youth needs to stand with them, and hence we have come up with this idea. I would like to call Kushal to please continue.
Now, these girls are thrown out of the society, and society views them with evil eyes. So these girls needs a push forward in their life, and we need to stand with them. So here where we need to stand with them as a pillar. PCC will stand with them as a pillar by providing them with shelter, education, and each and every need of their life, which will help them to accomplish the ambitions of their life. So let's stand with them and make their life worth living. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying, निगाहों में मंजिल थी, गिरे और गिरते संभलते रहे, हवाओं ने बहुत कोशिश की, मगर चिराग आंधियों में भी जलते हैं. Thank you.
Thank you so
क्या
much.
बात है guys, क्या बात है, बहुत ही अच्छा प्लान है. All the best for the results.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Group 7. That was a very lovely thought. The next group is number 2.
Thank you, Mrunali. A very good afternoon to Pooja ma'am, Sukhdeep sir, Ankit sir, and Vivek sir. Many, many happy returns of the day to you. He who can become mad with an idea, he alone sees the light. ये शब्द कहे थे स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने. Light has 7 components, the 7 colors. Color, this is how I define my India. Good morning everyone, good afternoon everyone. My name is Anshul और मैं आपके सामने अपने ग्रुप की तरफ से एक छोटा सा मैसेज लाना चाहता हूँ. It's about the small vendors, the small businesses which are flourishing in between the big firms. मैं इनकी बातें इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because what they have been lagging in all these years, in all these centuries, was they never got this platform. अगर हम कभी भी एक छोटे से वेंडर को देखें, अगर आप कभी जाते हैं कहीं पर रास्ते में, कभी आप देखिए उनके सेल्स स्किल्स, उनकी क्रिएटिविटी, उनके मार्केटिंग स्किल्स, which definitely dominate the homogeneous methods of very big firms. ये चीज एक ऐसी चीज है कि अगर हम सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे लाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल हो लिंक्डइन हो, आपका फेसबुक हो या इंस्टाग्राम हो, लुक एट इट, एक वेंडर को अगर हम इसको सोशल मीडिया पे वायरल करेंगे, दिखाएंगे, तो इन लोगों को आगे बढ़ने का कितना मौका मिलेगा. इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन जो चल रखा है, अगर इस चीज में हम ये सब चीजें, एक ऐसा स्मॉल मीडियम प्लेटफॉर्म अगर हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो कितना कुछ होगा. पंजाबी चेंबर ऑफ कॉमर्स के थ्रू हम अपने कनेक्शंस को बढ़ा सकते हैं. इसमें एक छोटा सा ग्रुप क्रिएट करना है और उसमें इन लोगों के टैलेंट्स को दिखाना है. Also, one more important point I want to add in it is their supply chain management system. This is amazing. Just look at it. दिवाली आती है, होली आती है, कोई भी फेस्टिवल होता है, बिना किसी टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट के, बिना कनेक्शन के, एक स्मॉल
ग्रुप नंबर 2, योर टाइम इज अप.
क्या बात है ग्रुप नंबर 2, आपने तो बहुत ही अच्छे से सोचा. ऑल द बेस्ट.
And next coming is group number 3.
Thank you, Mrinali. So, chess, like love, like music, has the power to make men happy. Good afternoon, everyone. Did you know that there are only 65 grandmasters in India and 50% of them are below the age of 20? All these young men need backing up. Chess is one of the oldest sports, but is highly underappreciated. We all know Anand Vishwanathan, right? The 5-time winner of World Championship. But do you happen to know the name of other chess players? Chess needs more appreciation. All the top authorities in the world believe that India will dominate the chess in the upcoming years. But the big corporate houses are still making up their mind whether they want to invest in the sport or not. I am here to talk about chess and how PCC can help the youth to be professional chess players. Now, Ganesh will continue.
Thank you, Apurva, for sharing insights about the chess. And chess requires years of training. Few challenges that are faced by youth are: there are many people who are good at their game but could not excel in because of the lack of guidance. And there are more issues like lack of funds. And there are very less opportunities to showcase their talents. And over to you, Ashish.
One small step for a pawn, one great start for the game of chess. As it is rightly said, PCC can give a small step to the youth how they can pursue chess as a professional, and they can get more experience regarding in the field of chess, and all the competitions are held within India and across the borders as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, group 3. The next coming is number 1. Group number 1.
Thank you, Mrinali. Yes. Thank you, Mrinali. With wrong farming methods, we turn fertile land into desert. Unless we go back to the organic farming and see soil, there is no future. Well said by Jackie Vasudeva ji. Hello, how are you? Came to कैसन बात? तुसी सारे ठीक हो? So organic. So what's the second word comes to your mind or struck to your mind with organic? Anyone? Farming, right? Organic farming. As we all know, how organic farming plays an important role. So here, me and my group is going to talk about the organic farming to be carried out in Rajasthan state, Raniwara district in Dungri village. So here, further will be explained by Amita.
थैंक यू ऐश्वर्या। डुंगरी एक छोटा सा गांव राजस्थान का जिसमें कुल मिला के 300 घर हैं, जिसमें 92% पॉपुलेशन इज एंगेज्ड विद एग्रीकल्चर। और इस गांव में सबसे मेन क्रॉप्स जो पाए जाते हैं वो है व्हीट, बाजरा, ज्वार एंड द मेन 3 कैश क्रॉप्स, ग्राउंडनट सीड्स, कॉटन एंड कैस्ट्रॉल सीड्स। और अब इनकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? वन प्रॉब्लम, पैटर्न। सीड्स है, लैंड भी है अच्छा खासा, पर प्रॉब्लम ये आती है कि उन्हें उस लैंड को यूज करने का पैटर्न नहीं पता है, जिससे उस लैंड की अच्छे से ग्रो हो पाए, वो उन्हें कोई समझाने वाला नहीं है, लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस। दूसरी प्रॉब्लम, रिटेलर्स, उन्हें वो प्राइस नहीं दिया जाता जिसके वो क्रॉप्स वर्थ है। तो अब मेरे और मेरे ग्रुप का प्लान ये है, वी वांट टू सेट अ कैंपेन where we want a farming expert to come and test their land and accordingly suggest them the better crop they can grow in their land, and then accordingly we will make them aware about the profit they can make through that. And here I need the PCC's help, as we know farmers will not go for the experiment with their own money.
Group number 1, your time is up.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल जी, छा गई जी, तुसी छा गई। मैंने पर्सनली आइडिया बहुत ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਾ ਤੇ all the very best for the results. Mrinali, who is the next?
Next is number 4.
Devyani, you are on mute.
Yes. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. A very good afternoon, everyone. This is Devyani here, presenting from group number 4. And the concern or topic that we have raised is related to sanitary hygiene or sanitary napkins, menstrual hygiene. Now, the fact that this topic is so rudimentary and it is talked worldwide and in India as well, but unfortunately in India, there is still 36% of women who do not have access to sanitary napkins. That is even less than 50%. And here, considering that rural area women or the rural women is that category or that section which is affected the most. So now what is the need and how can PCC come into picture? So now the fact that I already gave you the statistics that there is only 36% of women who have access. Secondly, they do not have awareness and education about the menstrual hygiene, which is very important. The other thing is there are environmental factors that are considered. Usually sanitary napkins are made out of plastic. So here PCC can also help making a sustainable sanitary napkin that can be used for that can be used for the rural women. Also considering the pandemic, there has been a lot of an imbalance in the manufacturing of sanitary napkins, which has also led to a lesser production this time, making it reach to these women. So now how can PCC come into picture and what can we do? So we can either have funding that can happen for manufacturing of these sanitary napkins. The other thing is we can organize awareness programs in schools or in villages. So also there is a survey that says that girls cannot go to the schools for 5-6 days because of no proper sanitary facilities. So here we can help them have a section or a medical store where they can have free sanitary napkin access. We can coordinate with schools. There can be transportation facilities that can be provided. We can have doctor arrangements that can be made. We can train those villagers and those women to make their own sustainable sanitary napkins, and we might as well help them on as they could sell them further. So this can also help.
Group number 4, your time is up.
Thank you.
Brilliant idea, group number 4. Actually, like it is needed really in the rural areas. So let's move on to next group. Let's see, Pranali, who's next?
The last group is number 9.
गुड मॉर्निंग। महिलाओं को करे दे शिक्षा का सहारा, पढ़ लिख के रोशन करेंगी वो जग सारा। A girl should do only 2 things, what and who she wants to be. आज मैं तुम्हें एक गवर्नमेंट प्लान के बारे में बता रही हूँ। इसका नाम है कन्याश्री। It is only for the betterment and help for the girls in rural area. It provides like help for the ones who are needed. It also funds the girls from rural area and the girls who want to study. ये प्लान से ना चाइल्ड मैरिज रोक के देते हैं एंड उनको एनकरेज करते हैं कि आगे सीखना चाहिए. Our plan will next plan will be carried out by Soumik.
So as Ekta said the Kanyasri plan, which was a very good initiative of government of West Bengal, but it was resulted as a complete failure. So we want to redo it. So our plan is to reach out the needy girls of the rural Indias and create an awareness in rural areas. So we also need for PCC help in the manpower section, where they carry out campaigns regarding awareness of why education is important. And also one from PCC to receive feedback from all these rural areas कि उनके बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं कि नहीं, आपकी लड़की कहाँ तक क्या कर रही है. So ये सब जो information है to provide government and the regular information about that, so that they can fundalize all these initiatives of Kanyasri in a very proper way. So and to get all the benefits from that. And from this I want to say that जब नारी है शक्ति सारी तो फिर क्यों करे नारी क्यों कहे बेचारी.
Thank you so much, Group 9. Over to Srijani.
माशाल्लाह, क्या परफॉर्मेंस था सब ग्रुप का. पूजा मैम ने अपने स्पीच में एकदम सही एक परफेक्ट ये कहा था कि यूथ इज द ग्रेटेस्ट पावर एंड आप सब ने प्रूफ कर दिया कि आप आइडियाज के भंडार हो. तो अब जजेस जब तक डिसाइड करेंगे कि 99.9% और 100% में कौन आ रहा है, तो जब तक जजेस डिसाइड कर रहे हैं तो हम आपके साथ एक गेम खेलेंगे, क्योंकि भाई 1 मिनट भी क्यों वेस्ट करें. थोड़ा देखते हैं करंट अफेयर्स की जानकारी, फेमस लीडर्स की जानकारी आप लोग में कितने लेवल तक है, और इस क्वेश्चंस के द्वारा हम गेम कहूट के थ्रू खेलेंगे. So we have shared the Kahoot game pin and the link of the site in the chat window for everyone to join. And remember, please include your real name while entering.
Gurvinder, you can just copy paste it from here.
And use your phone for playing the Kahoot, so you can see the questions on the screen.
Genia ma'am, can you allow me to share the screen?
Yeah, just a moment, please. I'm just loading.
Okay.
It's there.
Yeah, thank you. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys.
Join karo fatafat, so that I can start with the quiz. Last 1 minute to join the quiz. Please do
Fast,
it fast.
guys. Fast, guys. Game के लिए.
So I have only 22 entries till now. Come on, guys. I want at least 50 entries in this game.
गेम के लिए तो इतनी देरी होनी नहीं चाहिए. जल्दी करो.
Yeah. So now I have 33 entries.
Please copy paste the link. Copy the link and then paste it in your browser.
Come on, guys. I'm expecting 50 entries. We have 41.
Almost 50. Come on, come on.
So last 30 seconds I'm waiting, and then I'll start the game. Expecting at least a half century from you all, guys. Okay, fine. Now I'm starting the game.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's start. Yeah.
So here's the first question for you all.
Identify the brand. Wow, ये तो easy
Come on.
है.
बहुत easy.
Answers भी fast आ रहे सबके.
Yeah. Let's see who is topping the table. Oh, Kushal.
Oh, Kushal Parekh. Nice.
Get ready for the second question.
Which is the oldest stock exchange in the world? ये थोड़ा सा difficult लग रहा है मुझे.
But finance वालों को तो आएगा यार.
हाँ, आना ही चाहिए.
Let's see. Yeah, finance का बंदा कुशल. Topping the list.
A dash is a professional money manager who makes risk investment from a pool of equity capital to obtain a huge. ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता. तुझे क्या लग रहा है वंदन?
Yeah, answer is clearly visible.
Wow, most of the students are quite aware.
Kushal is still on the first position. Let's see who gets this one correct.
ये पता होगा.
I'm damn sure about this.
Yes.
Yeah, see, we have 13 right answers in that. कुशल किसी को ऊपर नहीं आने दे रहा है भाई.
Someone beat Kushal yaar.
Yeah.
I need some new names now.
A bit difficult, but related to current affairs.
Yes.
Oh, only 8 got correct.
Oh, it's okay.
और अभी कुशल अग्रवाल ने बाजी मारी है.
Which is the first private bank in India. ये भी हो सकता है, वो भी हो सकता है, ऐसा वाला सीन है.
Yeah.
Confused between two.
Oh, only 6 got it correct.
6.
No issues. And Kushal Agarwal is on the top.
Guess the brand from the tagline melts in your mouth, not your hand. ये तो easy है.
Come on guys, ये तो आना ही चाहिए. खाने
Chocolate
से related है.
lovers.
See?
12
12 of
people
them
got
have got it. Yeah. और अभी
Oh,
सागर
Sagar.
धुनके ने
Sagar.
yeah, second position.
Second place. पर कुशल ने अपनी जगह नहीं छोड़ी.
Srijani, this is the toughest question, I guess. This is the
हाँ
toughest.
सही में. Economics. My God.
Let's see. Oh, 12 of them got it
people.
correct. Great. Let's see. Again, Kushal Agarwal is on the first
कुशल अग्रवाल की
position.
लीड तो देखो.
Exactly. बताओ guys इसका आंसर फटाफट.
Answers बड़े fast आ रहे सबके.
They are very quick with their responses.
Yes. 18 got correct. Oh,
अभी
Kushal
निखिल और
Agarwal.
यशदेव. Yeah, Nikhil and Yashdev are, you know,
Coming
slowly.
up.
Yeah.
We still have time.
ये तो पक्का आएगा सबको. पक्का आने वाला है ये. सबसे ज्यादा
कोई
करेक्ट आंसर इसमें होने वाला है.
नॉनवेज खाना खाइए तो सबको पता है.
हाँ. See answers कैसे आ रहे? 37 answers in this. And see 28 of them got it correct. Wow.
Nice.
श्रीजानी अगर ये किसी को आ गया ना, मेरा सलाम है उसको.
सही में.
Let's see who gets it correct. Oh, we have 38 responses and 25 of them got it correct. Wow. Salam guys.
Oh, Nikhil is at second position.
Yeah.
अभी मुझे फर्स्ट नाम किसी और का दिखेगा शायद से.
Come on boys. It's related to car. ये तो आता ही होगा आप सभी को. Oh, only 10 of them got it correct.
10 got correct. No problem.
But Kushal is there on the
Kushal
first
holding
position.
the place. Okay.
इसमें भी कोरोना है देखो.
और वो भी एक्स्ट्रा.
Yeah. Oh, only 9 of them got it correct.
Got it.
Oh, Kushal,
Gurleen.
Nikhil and Gurleen.
Gurleen.
Great, great guys. So here is the second last question of our quiz.
ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ के तो सबको आएगा.
आना चाहिए भाई, करंट अफेयर है.
सही में.
देखो आंसर्स कैसे फटाफट आ रहे हैं. Oh, 40. Only 9 of them got it
9
correct.
got correct.
No
Okay.
issues. And here's the last question for the day.
Let's see who is the winner.
Let's see कौन क्या guess करता है इसमें. Funniest part in this.
हाँ. Okay, the third place is Gurleen. Okay, second, Nikhil. And our Kahoot grand winner is Kushal Agarwal. Congratulations to our Kahoot winners and our runner-ups, Anirudh. Congratulations all of you. I hope कि Kahoot का गेम आप सभी को बहुत मजा आया होगा एंड जजेस को भी जजमेंट में बहुत मजा आया होगा. टक्कर की कंपटीशन रही होगी. अब पार्टिसिपेंट्स को भी तो मजा आना चाहिए ना कि वो 99.99% और 100% के रेंज में कौन है. So let's see. So to create suspense, we will start with the second runner-up. Okay. So. So now the Award for the second runner-up goes to, any guesses? Group 2. Congratulations, Group 2.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now for the time for the first runner-up. Can we have the music, please? Music के बिना तो चलेगा नहीं. So now the award for the first runner-up goes to group number 4. Congratulations, group number 4 and all the team members. Now, जिसका इंतजार हम सभी को था, वो आ ही गया finally. So, to our grand winner for the If I Were the Youth Leader of PCC. So, what do you guys think? Which group will bag the leadership award? Any guesses? Can I see some guesses in the chat window? I want to see some guesses in the chat window. Let's see.
High five.
Okay, I got one. Okay. Diversified and replies I'm getting. Okay, nice. Okay. Wow. Okay. Everyone is
ग्लोबल यूथ स्क्वाड के लॉन्च पर, तो याद रखिएगा 12 जनवरी 2021. सो आप इंतजार किस बात का? रजिस्टर करिए जी फटाफट. फिर होगी आपसे मुलाकात. तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. थैंक यू.